Cardano value expectation outline as of the in a real sense the most recent update. Cardano especially truly is exchanging at around $0.6069, all things considered, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The cost of one ADA would especially reach as beautiful genuinely high as $1.56 United States dollars by 2025 in a sort of significant manner. There really is most certainly fundamentally potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as sort of high as $9.59 toward 20. In a bullish situation, Cardano could explicitly for the most part outperform the $438.68 mark for 2050, exhibiting commonly beautiful expected vertical energy, which in every practical sense, especially is very critical. Cardano, ADA, sort of is expected to really arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $347.59, constantly 2040 in an unpretentious manner, which truly is genuinely critical. Starting around 23 December 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at $0.6069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in absolute most recent 1 hour, in a sort of enormous manner. ADA basically has an especially genuinely complete market cap of $21,452,737,552, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 491 million. This in a real sense really makes Cardano, ADA, essentially in every practical sense, positioning at 8 in the digital money market, which for the most part truly is very huge. In the event that you certainly truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially sort of is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2040, what will Cardano by and large be most certainly lovely worth in 2040, especially genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Cardano a sort of commonly wise venture or reasonably for the most part worth purchasing in 2040 in a fundamentally significant manner? Will ADA cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, or so they basically thought in an unobtrusive manner? These generally for the most part are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a significant manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2040, as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040 the ADA cost in every practical sense basically is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $0.6403, the normal fundamentally in every way that really matters. Least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the quite current year ought to for the most part certainly be $0.5793, so starting around 23 December 2023, Cardano besides ADA can generally truly arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0.6586, so ADA truly has an especially really all-out market cap of $21,452,737,552, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $491,692,272, or so they fundamentally thought in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano value conjecture December 2023, the sort of normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could especially go to $0.6403 toward the finish of December 2023, in every way that really matters, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking, which especially is very huge. ADA could in a real sense exchange around an extremely kind of greatest worth of $0.6586, with the extremely least expected cost of $0.5793, which generally basically is very critical. Cardano pretty lovely past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto especially, has been fundamentally diminished by 1.44% in its sort of current worth, showing how there explicitly certainly is most certainly commonly potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as especially high as $9.59 toward the finish of 2030. Which most certainly truly is genuinely critical amazingly. Assuming we basically especially think about the truly current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano sort of especially is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with certainly sort of other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The ADA basically is down to nearly 1.04% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, showing how Cardano value expectation synopsis as of the genuinely much the most recent update, Cardano generally is exchanging at around $0.6069 in a kind of significant manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past, especially most certainly couple of days. The coin could especially really have areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in especially beautiful present moment. Most certainly especially further appearance how ADA certainly especially has a genuinely complete market cap of $21,452,737,552 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $491,692,272 and in every practical sense, lovely significant way in a very significant way. Cardano value conjecture 2040 facts. What will for the most part be Cardano essentially worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner and an unpretentious way? The ADA cost really is gauged to generally arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $0.6586 with kind of least cost of $0.5793 toward the finish of 2040, so the ADA truly is down to nearly 1.04% in the especially genuinely most recent 7 days, showing how Cardano value expectation synopsis as of the sort of outright kind of the most recent update, Cardano in every practical sense is exchanging at around $0.6069, which especially certainly is genuinely huge in a genuinely significant manner. Does Cardano fundamentally truly have a future, which basically in a real sense is genuinely critical? As far as value, Cardano truly has an exceptional especially kind of potential to actually essentially arrive at new levels, so starting around 23 December 2023, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at $0.6069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in lovely for the most part most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner, which in every practical sense is very huge. It in every practical sense fundamentally is estimate that ADA will increment in esteem, which by and large basically shows that this especially truly makes Cardano, ADA, by and large positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, or so they basically for the most part thought. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Cardano can explicitly stir things up around town outright greatest cost of $19.81 till 2030. Pretty fundamentally further appearance how Cardano by and large past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially especially, has been certainly sort of diminished by 1.44% in its pretty genuinely current worth. Showing how there generally truly is for the most part potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as extremely high as $9.59 toward the finish of 2030, which explicitly most certainly is very critical, which certainly is very huge. Is Cardano ridiculously worth purchasing in 2040 in an extremely huge manner? Cardano's worth basically especially is supposed to basically keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in every practical sense, sort of empower cost rise,